Welcome to this safety talk on LNG regasification process safety. In this video, we'll be discussing the key safety considerations and best practices to ensure a safe and successful operation. The LNG regasification process involves converting liquefied natural gas back into its gaseous state for distribution and use. This process also poses certain safety risks, such as the potential for leaks or fires. That's why it's important to follow strict safety procedures and guidelines to mitigate these risks. Regular inspections and maintenance are critical to ensure the safe operation of LNG regasification facilities. Personnel should be adequately trained to identify potential hazards and respond appropriately in case of emergency. Emergency response plans should be in place and personnel should be familiar with them to ensure a quick and effective response in case of an accident. Proper ventilation and airflow in the facility are also key considerations. This can help prevent the accumulation of flammable gases and reduce the risk of fires or explosions. Gas detectors, fire suppression systems, and personal protective equipment are necessary to ensure the safety of personnel and minimize the risk of accidents. In addition to safety concerns, there are also environmental considerations to take into account. LNG facilities can emit greenhouse gases and other pollutants, so it's important to implement measures to reduce these emissions and minimize the environmental impact. As a consultant or professional in the energy industry, it's important to stay up to date with the latest safety practices and regulations for LNG regasification. Join EnergyCompact.com to gain access to exclusive resources and networking opportunities to advance your knowledge and career. In summary, safety is paramount in LNG regasification, and following strict safety procedures and guidelines is essential to ensure a safe and successful operation. Remember to prioritize regular inspections and maintenance, provide adequate training for personnel, and implement emergency response plans. Join EnergyCompact.com to advance your knowledge and career in the energy industry. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Energy Compact on YouTube for more insights and updates on the energy industry, including the latest developments in LNG regasification safety.